This week's AI news changes the world forever. Welcome to this week's AI Roundup. A week filled with groundbreaking advancements and controversies. This week in the world of AI was filled with dramatic advancements and controversies. OpenAI faced leadership changes, while new AI models like CAR and Orca 2 made waves. Additionally, AI voice cloning, AI art, and healthcare AI developments were also highlighted. The week showcased the potential of AI to revolutionize various industries and sparked excitement for the future of AI technology.
Elon Musk says XAI's chatbot Grok will launch to X Premium Plus subscriber next week. Shortly after, screenshots emerged showing XAI's chatbot Grok appearing on X web app. X owner Elon Musk confirmed that Grok would be available to all the company's premium subscribers sometime next week. While Musk's pronouncement about time frame for product deliveries haven't always held up, code developments and X's own app revealed that Grok integration was already underway. Here is all detail about the upcoming XIs. Is the Grok and X. Here is the interface that how you get this from X, and you can subscribe. First released on November 4 to select testers. ChatGPT Voice rolled out for all free users. Give it a try, totally changes the GPT experience. ChatGPT with Voice is now available to all free users. Download the app on your phone and tap the headphones icon to start a conversation. Here is the example for you.
It's been a long night for the team and we're hungry. How many 16-inch pizzas should I order for 778 people?
For a large group of 778 people, assuming an average of 3 slices of pizza per person, and each 16-inch pizza provides around 12 slices, you'd need to order around 195 pizzas. This ensures everyone gets at least 3 slices. Would you like...
A recent OpenAI breakthrough on the path to AGI has caused a stir. Reports from Reuters and the Information Wednesday night detail on OpenAI model called Q, pronounced Q star, that was recently demonstrated internally and is capable of solving simple math problems. Doing grade school math may not seem impressive, but the reports note that, according to the researchers involved, it could be a step toward creating artificial general intelligence. After the publishing of the Reuters report, which said senior executive Mira Murati told employees that a letter about Q precipitated the board's action to fire Sam Altman last week. OpenAI spokesperson Lindsay Bolton refuted that notion in a statement shared with the Verge. Mira told employees what the media reports were about, but she didn't comment on the accuracy of the information. Separately, a person familiar with the matter told the Verge that the board never received a letter about such a breakthrough and that the company's research progress didn't play a role in Altman's sudden firing. Amid OpenAI chaos, rival Inflection AI release model on GPT-4's heels. The startup behind the chatbot BI says its Inflection 2 model outpaces popular alternative from Google and Meta, and is catching up to OpenAI's flagship ship fast. Inflection AI, the startup behind the conversational chatbot BI, has unveiled a new AI model that the company's claim can outperform two popular alternatives developed by Google and Meta, and is hot on the heels of OpenAI's larger flagship model GPT-4. Called Inflection 2, the model performed better than Google's Palm Large 2 model, previously announced in May on a number of standard benchmark. Inflection said, while beating the open source Llama 2 model largely developed by Meta on different measures, overall Inflection's model is the top performing of its size. The startup said it only trails GPT-4, the flagship released model from OpenAI, thought to be significantly larger. The newly released model will soon be integrated into PI, the chatbot that Inflection released in May. First, it needs a bit more extra work known as alignment to teach it PI's tone and answering style and to help PI function better while absorbing up-to-date information about without additional hallucinations, Suleiman said. Here is the accuracy level of different AIs. Introducing Claude 2.1. Our latest model, Claude 2.1, is now available our API in our console and is powering our Claude AI chat experience. Claude 2.1 delivers advancement in key capabilities for enterprises, including an industry-loading 200K token context window, significant reduction in rates of model hallucinations, system prompts, and our new beta features tool use. We are also updating our pricing to improve cost efficiency for our customers across models. 200K context window. We are doubling the amount of information you can rely in Claude with a limit of 200,000 tokens, translating to roughly 150,000 words over 500 pages of material. Our user can now upload technical documentation like entire code base, financial statements like S1S, or even long literary works like the Lead or the Odyssey. By 2 decreases in hallucination rates. Claude 2.1 open-ended conversation accuracy. API tool use. Google Bart can now watch YouTube videos for you. Bart's YouTube extension can now handle complex queries about specific video content like recipe, quantities, and instruction summaries. So you can upload this Bart extension on your Google Chrome and use on the YouTube to take out these summaries. Microsoft released Oreka 2, a pair of small language models that outperform larger counterparts. Today, the research arm of the Satya Nadella-led company dropped Oreka 2, a pair of small language models that either match or outperform 5 to 10 images larger language model including Meta's Llama 2 Chat 7TB when tested on complex reasoning tasks in zero-shot settings. The models come in two sizes, 7 billion and 13 billion parameters, and build on the work done on the original 13B Oreka model that demonstrated strong reasoning abilities by imitating step-by-step reasoning traces of bigger, more capable model of a few months ago. With Oreka 2, we continue to show that improved training signals and methods can empower smaller language models to achieve enhanced reasoning abilities, which are typically found only in much larger language models. Microsoft researchers wrote in a joint blog post. The company has open sourced both new models for further research on the development and evaluation of smaller models that can perform just as well as bigger ones. This work can give enterprises, particularly those with limited resources, a better opinion to address their targeted use cases without investing too much in computing capacity. Introducing Stable Video Diffusion. Today we are releasing Stable Video Diffusion, our first foundation model for generative video based on the image model Stable Diffusion. Now available in research preview, this state-of-the-art generative AI demo video model represents a significant step in our journey toward creating models for everyone of every type. With this research release, we have made the code for Stable Video Diffusion available on a GitHub repository, and the weights required to run the model locally can be found on our Hugging Face page. Further detail regarding the technical capabilities of the model can be found in our research papers. Runway ML recently have launched some new features. Let's have a look on that. So this week we are releasing a number of new features to help generate videos with more control, greater fidelity, and style expression. So the first is motion brush. So how it works, let's see is in the example. Gen 2 style praise and control is about more than just movement, it's about style and art direction. That's why we are excited to introduce style presets. Here is a director mode update is here. Look how you give the directions to the movements. It's really amazing. It's just superb. I just love that. Here are more motion brush options we have over here. Look how amazing these are. It's just like a magic, so beautiful. Gen 2 style presets. ElevenLab speech to speech and product update. Say it how you want it. We have added speech to speech synthesis. STS is a voice conversion tool that lets you turn the recording of one voice to sound as if spoken by another. It lets you control the emotions, tone, and pronunciation beyond what's possible with TTS prompts alone. Use it to extract more emotions from a particular voice or as I say it how you want it reference. In other updates, we are making changes to our pre-made voices. Also, we made a number of improvements to projects including edit normalization, pronunciation, dictionary, and more customization options. Here how it works speech to speech. STS takes the content and style of speech contained in your upload recording and changes the voice. Think of STS as useful primarily of two things. One is to extract more emotions from a particular pre-made voice upload record, highly expressive speech, and STS will replicate the emotion and intonation in other voice. Since not all voices can be made to express strong emotions with TTS prompts alone, you can now make a professional narrator or a children books character more expressive with your own voice. Another user of STS is providing a reference for speech delivery. While our TTS typically nails the intonation straight away, you may sometimes wish to refine your tone